Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this fourth session, part 2 of the industry sector of the month. So today, as last Monday, we will discuss about the topic finances and insurance. So last week we heard from NCC France and NCC Slovakia, and today we will hear from NCC Germany and NCC Montenegro. So as always for these sessions, please feel free to write your questions, comments, feedback in the chat. We will have some time for discussions, Q&A after the two talks. The talks will be recorded, but only the talk part, and we'll share, of course, the slides and the recording afterwards with everyone. And without further ado, let's start with NCC Germany and with Xin Liu to discuss some industry use cases from NCC Germany about the topic finances and insurance. So Xin, you can share your screen.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me share. Okay. Yeah. Now can you see my slides?
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, so I'm here to share a proof of concept study that we did with smart markets from NCC Germany. So in this proof of concept study, we basically try to use AI to train a automatic trading robot for this company. So just to give you a short introduction of the smart market company. So it is a small company, is an SME located in Germany, in Düsseldorf, and it specializes in automated trading robot for stock trading. So what's the challenges that they face is that with a big amount of financial high frequency data and always changing market analysis, they need some effective algorithm to improve their trading system. And so they wanted to test AI technology to improve the adaptability of their trading agent. But they don't have such expertise in their company. So in NCC Germany, we do proof of concept study. That is basically we work with a company or a public administration, and then use a small amount of personal months to develop a project together with them. And in the end, we will produce a success story as a showcase and inspiration for other potential HPC users. So in this project, we used reinforcement learning to get our automatic trading robot. So to explain it in short sentences, this AI agent is an algorithm that we try to train, and it draws an observation from the environment, which is the euro to USD price. That we are trying to train a robot to either to buy euro from USD or buy USD from euro to make benefits. So the environment is euro to USD exchange rate. And the AI agent we are trying to train will draw a observation from the environment and then take an action and apply this. After applying this action, it will get a reward. So when the reward is positive, it is a reward. Otherwise, it is a punishment. So with time, this AI agent learns how to deal with to make the right decision in this euro to USD course. So to break it down in details, the observation from the environment is the share price in the last hour, and the reward. So this is our first try, and the reward is the account balance of USD dollars. And the options of action to take are purchase euro from USD use 5% all 5% of all the current USD assets, or sell all the euro, or just wait. We choose this space for action because this is our partner. This is a suggestion from our partner in smart markets. That is, according to his experience, the actions to take. And however, the first try was not very successful. The agent continuously make losses or just learn to wait as the only action. So we improve the reward and observation and action a little bit for the second try. So in the second try, we do not purchase 5% of the current USD assets, but the first action is to purchase €1, and the other actions stay the same, either sell all the euro or just wait. And the observation stay the same. It's a share price in the last hour. And the rewards, we change it into the difference in account balance of the US dollars. And with a simplified in the simplified setting, the agents that we trained can correctly predict the price trend. So if you look at the results, so the image on the top left is the net worth in our account plotted against time. So the net worth is the sum of USD and euro worth. So you can see that in the beginning of the time, the agents do not know what to do. So basically, it just tries out random things, and the net worth stay the same. And then after a certain time, it learns something and then started to continuously making profit. And the other images is the course of USD to euro price, and the reward we get, and the amount of euro on the account. So in this tryouts, we used the 20 years of course. Basically that's when the euro was born. So that's the maximum amount of data we get for this course. And we train, so the data is on weekdays from 12 to 22 hours with action every second. And it started with a random choice of action, and then the decision becomes more correct, and then it starts to make profit. However, when we put this AI agent into more realistic settings, for example, every transaction you make, you have to pay a small amount of transaction fee. So when we consider such transaction fee, this AI agent stops making profits, like it is shown on this top left picture. So in a more realistic settings, we still have to explore more and improve more. Right now, our reinforcement learning is just a vanilla deep Q learning. So and also we just use the one course of USD to euro course. So right now we are we can say that in the simplified condition, the agents can predict the price trends. However, in a realistic condition, we need to expand the project scope. And right now we are applying for a FF Plus call together with Smart Market. So in this in our plan, we will use first more data, so different courses, and high frequency tick data. So in here we have action every second. We have tick data in every second, but in some courses they have 20 tick data in 1 second. And and also to try out more advanced reinforcement learning methods like the dual Q learning, or prioritize more informative experience. So that's thing we are planning to do right now, and yeah, possibly in the FF Plus project. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Xine, for presenting this proof of concept for NCC Germany. I have some questions, but as I indicated before, and the chat will have time for questions, discussions after all the talks from today. So for the moment, let's continue with our second speaker, Luka Filipovic from NCC Montenegro. So Luka, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much for invitation. I will share my screen. I have a small presentation here. Okay, I hope you can see a first slide.
All good.
In the first part, I will present some our main points. We are formed under EuroCC1 on the University of Donja Gorica, and then University of Montenegro joined us in the second part of project, and we are focused on academy, industry, and the governmental sector to help them to reach HPC, AI, and HPDA. We have some small local resources, and we are helping our companies to apply for Euro HPC supercomputers. And we have a great collaboration with all of you. Regarding industry, we are working with our companies on many aspects, from organizing some info days, trying to find them to fill HPC for SME assessment tool, then for some initial and expert or focused consultations to make some trainings for them to apply for Euro HPC and to move their codes on HPC clusters. I will present 4 success stories from our companies, 2 from EuroCC2 and 2 small from EuroCC1. First is from a paid M&A company, which is making a scalable software solution for trading on a market. It analyzes markets and data sets from last 6 or 7 years, executes simulations, and makes algorithms to optimize trainings. Uses mathematical models for statistical data processing, machine learning, grid search, and AI. From we as a NCC help them to apply for Euro HPC resources. In April of last year, they won. They get a LumiC on a development call, and now they got LumiC and LumiG because they applied for a CPU and GPU partitions to try to move their code on GPU. As one of results, they shortened the simulations from 6 days to 5 to 10 hours, depending on the number of parameters, and they are making the simulations faster and faster. And as a final result, they will have moments or signals when companies can make some optimal investments on the market. Second story is from Uhura. Uhura is founded in Podgorica maybe 6 or 7 years ago. It's a fintech AI company focused on contact intelligence, and they have a software or a platform designed to read, understand, and automate workflows. It's a packed all solution as a low-code platform with the LLM, with the workflow and low-code framework, and it's designed for banks and for insurance companies. Software reads all agreements, uses LLM from our point of view. We help them to apply for a Leonardo HPC. Before Leonardo, they ran fine tuning on some smaller model, and now they are focused on the LLM training on 1 billion or 7 billion parameters. They told me that they will try 70 billion parameters and try some other models. Are they working in their fintech environment? And same as paid, you have a URL if you want to find some more information. And some small stories from first part of EuroCC, UDG, and the Montenegrin software company Fleka worked together on SAS solution for machine learning and data collection for financial institutions. We got data for invoices of our customers, worked on some classification algorithm which classifies products in some groups, and results will be shown to Montenegrin citizens and banks as customers. And last story is not directly in fintech, but it's price prediction from energy sector, but it's regarding price and neural networks, and I put them in this presentation. That's focused on the day ahead price prediction on electricity price based on many parameters. It was firstly came from one master's thesis, and then it was some part of PhD research. Company took data from Montenegrin data set and then from Hungarian data set, analyzes data with neural networks, and predicts price of energy, and tells is that predicted price lower or higher than current price, and with the HPC, HPC gives that 10 times or more faster analysis from data. So in all cases, we have a good help from HPC and the larger infrastructure to get faster and better results. Thank you. And here are contacts from me and my colleague Sanya and the site of EuroCC Montenegro, where you can find all this data. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Luca, for presenting this from NCC. So thank you very much to our two speakers today. So Xin Liu for NCC Germany and Luca Filipovic for NCC Montenegro. Now we can continue with discussions, questions, and I'm very glad to see that there are already several questions in the chat. So let's start with them. Thank you very much for, again, to our two speakers from NCC Germany and NCC Montenegro for sharing your use cases, experiences with us today. For everyone, thank you for sharing your questions, comments in the chat and in the discussions with us. We will have a next industry sector of the month quite soon, maybe after the summer to be checked. So stay tuned and we'll discuss further on all these topics together in the next industry sector of the month instance. Thank you again and have a great rest of the day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you
Bye.
very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Bye.